Okay.
Oh, honey, look at you. Honey, we are caught in the rain. Look at you, honey. Your eyes so red.
Yeah. Oh Lord, take me now.
Yeah, let's go.
Sayang, your dress is little bit wet.
Yeah.
My pants also.
And then look, I took off my shoes.
Where are your shoes, baby? Your shoes gone.
Lucky there are no people.
Yeah, lucky nobody is here because it's rain. Only we are never give up and doing everything, right?
It's rainy now in Ubud. It's just like raining cats and dogs. We just decided to work here in one of our favorite coffee. I'll show you around. And yeah, Damian is somewhere, so we decided to have a coffee and cake. Cakes looks like this, so yum. So we will have a coffee and cake for breakfast, and Damian is already for working here. There he is. Smajnego. This is the place where we are today. So nice. And this place also have a very beautiful boutique, and it has a nice dining concept like this.
Alright, yo, what's up everybody? So the situation today looks like this one. As you saw at the beginning of the video, we got wet very badly because it's so big rain today in Bali. I don't know what's happening, why it's like that.
It's not a raining season basically.
Yeah.
We see July, at the beginning of July.
I mean, you know, we were starting with normal cloudy weather. It was raining at night, but on the halfway to Ubud, when the rain came, it was like, wow, we were soaked. My shoes are still wet, actually, to be honest. Loud bass. And overall, we are planning to go somewhere to show you something interesting in Ubud, but it's still raining. We are already like 4 hours here, waiting for the rain finish, but the rain is still here. So we took the umbrellas from the cafe, and we just strolling around the Jalan Monkey Forest today, perhaps during the rain. It's also nice to show you, but yeah, the weather is, I don't know, weather is like middle of December or something. Sometimes it's happening, even inside middle of the dry season. Sometimes, you know, rain it is, but it's fresh at least. It's not that hot at least. But basically, people still strolling around, even it's raining. They having like raincoats or something, or with the umbrellas. It's a little bit quieter. It's just in generally grayish and darkish little bit, but this is it. Something new is coming here. I'm not sure what it's gonna be, and we're gonna stroll around Jalan Monkey Forest during the rain, middle of the dry season. So you know, some people actually are strolling around, and Ubud during the rain is really enjoyable in general, but yeah, it's a little bit difficult to moving around, especially if you don't drive a car, by bike, and to making videos also I have to be with the umbrella, otherwise my camera will be broken due to the rain, due to the water. But this is it. Jalan Monkey Forest little bit today for the change. This is it. Alright, we changed the plans. Actually, I gonna only make a video. We're gonna wait in the cafe because it's raining, and also I have a backpack with my laptop and stuff. I don't wanna get wet, yeah? Yes. So you're gonna take it, yeah? Yes. So you can take it now. But I have two hands actually. I don't know how we're gonna show it. I'm just letting you know what we're doing. Bye, Sayang! Winnie is going back to the cafe. This is the place where we actually having coffee and everything. It's nice, it's the boutique and everything. I'm gonna continue my stroll today to show you. As you know, we are Damian and Winnie from the Monkeys Never Give Up with anything, even with making the videos. Is it rain or snow? Doesn't matter. We're gonna make a video. Monkey beat, MNKE. That's nice. That's actually also nice. Open air. Some happy tourists would like to having. This is like a bar. Seems like. During the night probably it's nice and decent and busy. I don't know what is inside. Maybe some hotel, Island, jewelry, stuff like this one. Gonna keep going a little bit. Yo, what's up? People strolling here as well. Some of this is actually tropical outfit. You have an umbrella and sometimes also the coat. It's okay actually for walking. Only driving a motorbike is very difficult, especially if you have 40 kilometers to going back home. Come here it's more difficult, but this is it. Another some nice looking coffee shop. Most of the places are very empty because many of visitors actually, during the rain, just stay in the hotel, in the villa, in the resort, wherever you stay. So I totally understand this, but also some people just simply enjoying without even the umbrella raincoat. The rain is not that strong now after 5 hours of pouring, literally. So probably in the art center, art market over there, it's busier, but here it is how it is. Still good to show you. And video must go on, like show must go on. The queens used to sing like that. Most of you must be familiar with this song. Maybe kids nowadays know, but most of you guys, I believe so. So that's the situation. There's some new spa. It's gonna be named Inca. Looks decent. Still not open, but very, very soon. In the front is Starbucks and stuff. Also here used to be something, I think some guest house, but is under the construction renovation or totally gone and gonna be something new. That's slow 360-degree shot. Some people walking time to time, so it's not like it's totally like deserted or something. Honey and smoke, this is something new also I think under the construction because still the stuff on the floor. So a lot of new things actually on Jalan Monkey Forest, which is also good to see, something different today. Adiwana Monkey Forest, this is very popular brand, local one here in Indonesia, in Ubud particularly. And well, some people enjoy the coffee tradition nowadays. Culture in Bali is big. This one nice place, Jonah, next to Starbucks. I believe Starbucks today is also quite busy. Some people going to Starbucks even being in Bali. There's nothing wrong with it in general. It is how it is. Sellers also here. Thank you, hello, thank you. Sellers will don't hesitate to sell you some bracelet even during the rain. Also this cafe is actually, if you are in Ubud during the rain, places like this one with half open air with greens and the rain inside, it's really enjoyable. Cinta Grillanin. And also on the other side of the street is the Cafe Wine, very, very old place. Traditional was they were very successful because of Julia Roberts was learned how to cook there. So they were very successful in 2010, 11, 12 and later, but now recently because they are very old, very traditional, and as we already discussed many times, not many people are interested about the old and traditional stuff in Bali. They prefer modern and the beach clubs and the bars, so they are not that successful, Cafe Wine, as it was. But this is it. And also Lucky 8. Lucky 8 were open in Sanur and now it's open in Ubud as well. It's like pork noodles. I think you're going upstairs. A lot of new establishments here in Ubud in Jalan Monkey Forest. Normally we didn't film because it's quiet, but actually quiet because of normal weather, quiet during the rain, so it doesn't really matter. Komaneka, this is also one of the resorts on Jalan Monkey Forest. You get deep inside, will be there. And this poster, I always laugh in Ubud about this one. Online taxis are not allowed in this area. GoCar, Grab, Bluebird, Gojek, even Bluebird. No, if you love Ubud, please respect local transport community. Oh yeah, but this is it. This is very characteristic for Canggu and Ubud in general, and also the people who dressing like this fella also in Ubud popular. Yeah, Ubud and Canggu have very specific vibe in general, and funny because you normally that's the busiest part. There are hotels deep inside the small gangs, and also tourists, office seller. You can buy some tours going somewhere around. Anyway, another new place here, pass here, interesting, under the construction, under the development, night party, lol, lol, good name. During the night, there's some party. We met some viewers there during the pandemic, actually, but yeah. And then you have, of course, some shops. Monkey Forest is popular for the guest house and the hotels, deep inside usually. And from the street you have shops with the souvenirs, merchandises. Also nice boutiques, nice cafes, bars, restaurants, pharmacy, and spas like Angela. Many things you can find, actually. Here you go, there's some nice shop, nice stuff. Deep inside. Temple hidden, actually, you may don't see, and yeah, more and more people coming. It's still rainy, actually, light rain, but still, and people enjoying their time. And this is it, what I gotta tell you. Actually, behind the corner you will see already the stadium, which is transformed into parking area. Nice restaurant also over there, and here, hello, hello. So people waiting for the customers. Business must go. Show must go on. What I gonna tell you? The rain is actually like not so strong now, but still like you know, like something. And you're getting more to the center, more traffic jam on the streets, of course. Wow, the traffic actually jam. It's going directly up to the art market. So yeah, you have a point of view. Monkey Forest actually is quiet, cozy, but center, arts market and Ubud center, which is, you know, where I used to film many times, gonna be busy and crowded. Unbelievable. Check this out. But the nice temple somebody have on the second floor. I just wanna stop for a while, film the traffic situation. People. This guy have a jacket and the umbrella. I saw the locals driving motorbikes holding the open umbrellas as well. Hope I could film something like that, but seems like not. And the nice coffee shop, stuff like this. The traffic, it started. You know what? I just found out something very interesting. I was like making B-rolls, standing for 5 minutes on the street, passing the people passing me, listening them. I just realized that most of them, they are European people. German, Dutch, French, Spanish, at least the languages what they speak, that's the languages. It's interesting little bit as the trends, recent trends in Bali, in Ubud, they are more into Europeans. Like, that's interesting. But that's cool, actually, very cool. This is it. That's the situation today in Ubud. It's still rainy, I'm gonna tell you. I just need to quickly finish this video. Thank you so much for watching, listening. I really appreciate as you still following me. I will see you tomorrow as always on next one. See ya. Take care.